Hi everyone. I hope that you guys are having a great week and it is Friday. Woo. Okay. So, for today's assignment, it is going to be very similar to your previous 2 days assignment. So Wednesday's assignment and Thursday's writing assignment. It's just going to be a different prompt. It's still going to be narrative writing, just a different prompt, okay? So this is my home page, okay? So to get to my modules, you always need to click on the Bitmoji. And I did it again. I'm going to use student view, so give me just 1 second because my page always looks different than yours. Okay, so I'm going to go to student view, so I apologize. Okay, I'm going to click on my Bitmoji. Okay, and then there should be a, tomorrow there will be a heading that says Friday, November 20th, but this is the assignment that you guys are going to be doing today, Thanksgiving Day Writing Prompt 3. You're going to click on that. So I will be posting this video right here. Okay, so today we will be able to write a story with 4 details based on a prompt. Okay, so towards the bottom, here's the story prompt. Okay, so just like the past 2 days, I have put in a little fun fact right here that you guys can read. I just find it kind of fun. Okay, and then down here underneath the turkey is our prompt. Okay, so our prompt today is write a story about if you woke up as a turkey, what would you do? Okay, so you're going to be writing the story from your point of view. So you're telling the story, you're the narrator. Okay, so you're going to write a story pretending that you woke up tomorrow and you were a turkey. What would you do? Okay, which would be kind of crazy. So down here is your assignment directions. So just like the past 2 days, you're going to create a plan, okay? Now you can submit the plan, but I really want to look at your stories, okay? But if you want to submit a plan, that's totally fine. But I highly encourage you guys to do your plan first, okay? Because that's what we have always done for writing. We always plan first, and then we write our story. So please, please, please do your plan. Okay, because in your story, I need to see your characters. So who is in your story? I need to see the setting. So where's your story going to take place? What is the problem? Well, we already know what the problem is. You woke up as a turkey. Okay, that's a problem. And then your 4 events. So in order. So first, I did this. Next, I did this. Right after that, or moments later, I did this, and then at the end, I did this, okay? So it needs to go in order. So what would happen if you woke up as a turkey? What would you do? Okay? And then your solution. So this is your answer to the problem or how the problem is solved, okay? So I need to know how your problem is solved. And then your ending, I want you to talk about how you feel, okay? So take those elements right here and turn them into a story, okay? I am not going to record myself as an example, okay, because you guys have 2 videos that you could look at from Wednesday and yesterday of how I turned my plan into a story. So if you guys need a little refresher, then you need to go to the assignments from Wednesday and Thursday to look at those videos on how I turned my plan into a story, okay? So right after you plan your story, because these are all the elements that I need to see in your story, you are then going to write your story. Okay, you're going to turn your plan into your sentences, okay, and you need to make sure that you go in order of the events, okay? So because it's very important that we go in order of the events, because if we do not, then most of the time our stories are not going to make any sense. Okay, so it's just very important. Just like expository writing, it is so important that we go in order of our plan, because if we do not, then it's unorganized and it makes no sense. Okay, so same goes here. It's very important to follow your plan in order. Okay, so I have discussed this before. So right up here, okay, it says submit assignment. You're going to click on this. when you are ready, and this is where you are going to write your story. Now, I have talked about in the past couple of videos, because I know that this has been a problem with you guys typing in this text box and then it shuts you out and then you have to start all over again. Okay, I understand that is very frustrating, and one thing to combat that problem is to do your story in a Word document, okay? I do it all the time. And so on the bottom here, you should have your Word, okay? It's blue and it has a W on it. Mine does not show up to anything for some reason, but this is Word, okay? You're going to select a blank document, okay? And this is where you can type your story, okay? And then when you are done typing your story, then you just need to use your finger on your mouse and you're going to drag your finger across the text to highlight it, just like so. Okay, and then you're going to use two fingers. You're going to click on your mouse and make sure that you click on the highlighted part, because if I were to click outside of the highlighted part, it won't do this, okay? So once you use your two fingers, click, you're going to hit that copy button, okay, and then you're going to go back to your Canvas page where you have your text box right here. You're going to use your two fingers again, click on the mouse, okay, and then, click on the mouse, and then the paste, okay, and then you're going to paste it like that, okay, and then you could just hit submit when it is all said and done right here, okay. So that is just up to you. You do not have to type it up in Word, but I highly encourage it because it has been a problem in the past of you guys typing your final drafts in here and it boots you out and then you have to start all over again. And I don't want that to happen because time is precious, okay? So again, if you guys have any questions, please just either send me a message on Teams or Dojo, or you can send me a message on our Canvas page, okay? So just let me know if you guys have any questions. I would be happy to help, okay guys? I hope that you guys have a great Thanksgiving break, and I am looking forward to seeing all of you guys when we come back on November 30th, okay? Bye guys.